Hello everyone, my name is Sourabh. I'm looking to go to the USA for higher education for my master's. I chose the USA because I did my undergraduate there. I love the culture, I love the lifestyle, I have friends there, and there are some really great schools that exist in the USA, and they really fit my style of studying as well. IELTS is something that I chose because it is something that is universal in the USA. All of the institutes that I was looking at were accepting IELTS. It is quite a popular thing that exists in India as well, and the IDP infrastructure that exists here, the setup that they have, the processes that they have in place, make the IELTS experience quite great. My test, I did quite well. I scored an 8.5 band overall. For me, preparations began maybe about a month before, just so that I familiarized myself with the format of the test, knowing that I would have to come in on a separate day, take the speaking and come in and actually do the rest of the test around a given time. I otherwise watch a lot of content in English. I enjoy reading in English. I made sure I was talking to my friends and family in English more as well, just so that I got the hang of exactly what I needed to do leading up to the day. And it doesn't have to feel that you're sitting down and studying for something, but rather just working on yourself, finding that right kind of balance in speaking your English and reading English, and you can come in, take your practice tests, and have score a really good score at the end of it.